Hey friends, today we are going to have a look at MTV or MultiVAC or MultiVAC. I'm not really sure how to pronounce that. You tell me please in the comments below. Let's dive in. It looks like MTV climbed up from its misery. Yeah, no, actually I really like this coin, although at the moment I don't own too much. I just have very little. I took profits and I did not keep afterwards. It's maybe one of the coins that I made the most money with, and looks like it might be the time to get back in. This is the weekly chart, and we see something interesting. This could be the first full candle above the previous all-time high. Well, you could say that this is the previous all-time high, but I'm referring to the first week, the first bar. Look here, this huge spike, and after that the downfall, and after that just look how aggressively this coin grew. I really think this is actually a very useful project and a very well managed project. They did a great job on social media and with all the decisions they took with the project, and I really think this project has huge potential. What is interesting here? What can we see? Let's have a look. If we draw some lines. Yes, exactly. Let's play with some lines. Let's take that and that. And what else? Let's do a Fibonacci retracement. What is happening here right now, from my point of view, and as always, please remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a nobody on the internet. I'm just telling you what I am doing and what I plan to do regarding some crypto coins. But you must do what you know is best for you. Don't curse me when you lose money because you follow my advice. I missed this last week because if I was aware about this, I would have definitely bought some MTV close to this line, this resistance line. After seeing this candle closing above the previous all-time high, this is very bullish sign. And now what MTV does, so it went through the resistance, it went back to recheck this as support and got very close to the 10 EMA, and now yeah, it's going up. It's possible that this week won't be like a storm, but it might as well be. I know I'm contradicting myself, but let me tell you why I'm doing that. So when we look at this, like this next level, it is within reach. Like this might be like free money, if you ask me. I don't know when MTV plans to come and retest its 21 weekly EMA, like it did in this times right here, but this was during the dip, right? Look how strong it is. It just barely touches the 10 EMA once in a while. This coin, it's a monster, man. I'm telling you. So like this, between like 40% increase like this should happen in the next 2 weeks or this week. I think it will touch this area right here in the next 3 weeks. So by the end of November, let's say, it will bounce between this area right here. And like I said, that would be an increase of between 45 and 140%. At the same time, if we look at how aggressive MTV becomes, if it can print this kind of candle like this one, this is huge. Let's not even consider this one, but look at this one. This is quite decent. This one as well, and this one as well. And not only that, we see that usually it prints 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles again. Let's say that this is the first candle, the first green candle, and it will be something like this. Not very big, but consolidating, right? And after that, I am expecting for more. So when looking like this, oh my God, actually 10 cents is not so far away. This is crazy. What would be that as in percentage increase from this price right here up to 1 cent is, yeah, 3x roughly. Assuming, let's say it won't have such a long run, but a more moderate one. And let's say, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it should at least double up, but most probably more by the end of this month. Let's have a look. There is this line here as well. Yeah, so as long as it's outside this area, actually this could resemble a lot with this. This could be exactly that corner bar, like in this case or in this case. It's a guarantee? No, no way. But this is the highest chance to happen, from my humble opinion. So I need to get some MTV. It's actually one of the few coins that I own, although it's very little. I don't know even if I have 50 bucks in it. It's very little I own. Insignificant, right? But it's one of the coins that, since I'm involved in crypto and I'm following along, I like the most. How it developed and how the project went. And yeah, it's just a good feeling. It's one of the favorites. It's close to Trias. Although I'm sure Trias has more potential. As a project, I like more MTV. Because Trias still needs to prove itself. It looks nice, but I still want to see something palpable. MTV did that already, and it also has a great team. But they deliver. That's the thing to be seen with Trias. They have a stock team, but they are still to prove themselves by delivering and meet the expectations of people. I think we are going to see. No financial advice, like I said. It would be dope if MTV would come back to recheck the 21 EMA. I would definitely buy a lot. But even at 10 EMA, if it's by any chance thinking to try to retest this 10 EMA, that will also be nice. Let's have a look at the daily chart actually and see if we can find something there. Yes, we see that it touches quite often the 21 and the 50. Looks like the 50 EMA, it's a good buy. It only touched it here once. So it would be hard to catch that. So somewhere between the 21 EMA and the 50 would be a good price point. But looking at this area right here, I will delete this. Just look at this. This is strong, man. This is very strong. Just look how little it touched the 10 EMA. So it ran for so long before touching the first time the 21 EMA. It's just strong. Let's see, from the 30 September, yeah, one month. It's running like crazy. So whenever you get this close to, yeah, but this is the fall, right? But even here, it did not crash too hard. And it's recovered, like, even Trias ranged longer. But MTV, it's strong, man. It's really strong. So I think I will try to place some orders to buy close to the 21 EMA. I would say that should be a decent entry point. But now from a daily perspective, first we want to see a candle closed above this zone, this area right here. And after that, I think it's going to fly. Thanks for watching and see you next time.